Hi, my name is Donna Pangle, and I want to welcome you to Carte's Cakes, making today's cakes the best that they can be. I'm located here in Hampton, Georgia. This business was built on a focus on birthday parties and other general market ideas where cupcakes may be used as your focus. In this upper section, you can see where I started my business and made my sales to the different people in my ward, in my neighborhood, and to the other people that answered to my ads. The bottom section has my agenda for my expenses that were spent on the project. My revenue was a total income of $96, less the expenses of $35.17, less the capital $20, gave me a gross profit of $40.83. Advertising was done on Facebook and other social medias that included neighborhood, friends and family members off of Facebook. It included people in my ward and different people that I worked with and anyone else that I could sell my cupcakes to. I had some good ideas and some bad ideas. One of my good ideas was the delivery was on time every time, did not miss a delivery, and there was no returns, no problems, no questions with anything being wrong with anybody. A problem I did have was freezing some of my first cupcakes. Well, I had a few left over. When I got ready to use them the next time, the bottoms were hard, and it made them a little awkward to use. My worst problem that I had was dropping a full box of ready-to-go cupcakes, turning them upside down, making it uneasy or making it unavailable to sell that particular set of cupcakes. Thank you for watching Carte's Cakes, and we hope that you enjoyed this.